All right, we want to continue with multiplying fractions. So today we are looking at the part 2 of multiplying fractions. So in case if you don't watch the part 1, please go and watch part 1 before coming to this part 2 of multiplying fractions. So the first one is 1 over 2 times 2 whole number 1 over 2. So the first what we'll do here is we are going to change this to improper fraction by using this number, the denominator, multiply the whole number. Then the answer you get, add the numerator to it and still make your answer over the denominator. So look at it this way. 1 over 2 times, you can bracket it. This 2 times 2, that is 2 times 2, then plus the numerator plus 1, then still all over 2, which will now give us we have the 1 over 2 times 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 over 2, which will now give us there is nothing can divide between the numerators and the denominators, so we multiply out. 1 times 5 is 5 all over 3 times 2, 4. So what is the next thing here? You change this to mixed fraction. So we have 4 divided pi to give us 1 remainder 1 all over 4. So this is our answer for that number 1. So looking at this number 2, we have 3 over 10. 3 over 10. Then we do the same here. We use 2 multiply 3 and they add 1 to it. That is 2 times 3 plus 1 times bracket 2 times 3 plus 1 all over still the denominator 2, which will give us we have 3 over 10. This 3 over 10, then times 2 times 3, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 over the denominator. So look at this, nothing can divide, therefore we multiply out. So 3 times 7 is 21 all over 10 times 2 is 20. So here, because the numerator is bigger than the denominator, we change it to mixed fraction. When we say 20 divided 21, it gives us 1 remainder 1, make it over what? 20. So this is the answer for number 2. So we go for number 3. We have 2 over 5 times 2 whole number 3 over 4. So 2 over 5 times, can bracket it, 4 times 2 plus 3. That is 4 times 2 plus 3 all over the same the denominator. So we now have 2 over 5 times 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3, 11 over the 4. So we now have this and this can go. 2 divide 2, 1. 2 divide 4, 2. Nothing can go again. We multiply out. So 1 times 11 is 11 over 5 times 2, 10. So we change to mixed fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. We change to mixed fraction by saying 10 divided 11 will give us 1 remainder 1 all over 10. So that is the answer for number 3. So we go to last one. 3 over 4 times bracket 4 times 2 plus 3. 4 times 2 plus 3 all over the same denominator, which is 4. So we now have 3 over 4 times 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 all over 4. So here, we continue looking at our last answer. Nothing can go between the numerators and the denominators. We multiply out. 3 times 11 is 33 all over 4 times 4 is 16. 16. So here, when 16 divide 33, we will have 2. Remember, 1 all over 16. So this is the answer to number 4. Please, I want to encourage you, always follow us online. Follow our YouTube channel, Crimzo Classroom. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And always follow us on TikTok, the same Crimzo Classroom. Thank you, and we'll meet you in the next class.